Hey guys, Sean here. Today I'm going to teach you how to download and delete fonts from anywhere on the internet. To do this, open up your preferred browser and go to a website that provides fonts, for example, Google Fonts. Click on the website and here you can see tons of different fonts readily available for you to use. I'm going to pick Poppins and then click on Download Family. Save your zip folder anywhere accessible and close your browser. After that, locate your zip folder and extract it. Once it's been extracted, open up the folder and look for a file that says .tff at the back, which stands for TrueType Font file. Double click on the file and click on Install. Once it's been installed, you may close your file explorer. And now you can use that font in any word processor you like, for example Microsoft Word. Now, in whatsoever reason you would like to delete a font, go to the search bar and type in font and look for font settings. Here are all the fonts readily available on your PC. Now to delete a font, search up its name and click on it. Then click on uninstall and uninstall again. After that, it should be deleted from your PC. As you can see, it's not here anymore. So that's all I have for now. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.